I'll share these 5 statements. You will manifest powers just by doing Vakyartha Sadas on these 5 statements. I will now express that 5 statements. First statement, listen. If there can be second, there is infinity. If there is a second fish, the possibility for infinite fishes is there. If there is a second cow, the possibility for infinite number of cows are there. If there is a second human being, the possibility for infinite number of human beings are there. If there is a second for anything, it is infinity. The possibility for infinity exists. This is the first statement. Second, please listen carefully. Each one of you are universe. I'll tell you, each one of you. Each one of you. I can read out the names. Banu, Sri Lakshmi Devineni, Uma Balaji, Vedaswarupananda, Dinesh Rathore. I'm seeing each one of you. Listen, each one of you are universe. This is the second statement. Understand? Ask all questions you want to ask about these 5 statements. After I finish making, now listen and internalize. Each one of you are a universe. Third statement. All of you have the seeking for something unique only you have. All of you, deep in your heart, believe there is something unique only you have. And seek that. Search for that. Try to discover that. Try to find that. This is the third statement. Listen, all of you, by your nature, by your simple existence, you are searching for what is unique in you, what makes you the ultimate, unique, which nobody else has, only you have. All of you have confidence that there is something only you have, others don't have. And all of you are seeking what is that. This is the third statement. Listen. The fourth statement. What is in you that is seeking your uniqueness, that is unique, means your consciousness is unique only for yourself. Fourth statement, your consciousness is unique only for yourself. Now, listen to the second statement. Each one of you are universe. Listen to the fourth statement. Your consciousness is unique to yourself. which no one has it. All of you, please sit straight and bring your whole attention so that you listen to the fifth statement thoroughly. Each one of you are universes. You have your consciousness which is unique, which no one else has, only you have. The unique consciousness you have is only one, and universe you have is infinite. This infinite and this one is one and the same.